Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at how Elvity simplifies legacy customer data migrations. When you're onboarding a new client onto your platform, you often need to import their historical customer profiles. This means taking active billing data from Stripe, pairing it with CRM records from Salesforce, and converting it into your system's target format. Let's look at how Elvity automates this complex data mapping so your customers can go live faster than ever before. To start, we must establish our target schema. Think of this as the data contract that your downstream databases or data warehouses expect. Elvity provides total flexibility here, allowing us to generate the schemas by syncing directly from your databases or warehouses or applications, or by connecting directly to active APIs. For this demo, we'll reverse engineer ours from a target we had earlier generated. Once uploaded, Elvity parses the columns, infers strict data types, and automatically drafts standard validation rules, like having certain columns to be required, or columns allowing only certain values. If you want to add more complex custom business logic, there's no need to write code or come up with regexes. Just provide the validation in simple English language. Now that our target schema has been established, we can start the process of automatically mapping incoming data. To do this, we create a project and select the target schema that we had just created. Then we provide the incoming or input data. This could be from a variety of sources. Elvity seamlessly connects to hundreds of sources, allowing you to ingest data from anywhere. For this demo, we will upload the data as CSV files. Once uploaded, we can kick off the mapping process. Elvity starts by inspecting our data and comparing it to the constraints defined in our target schema. It then drafts the transformation plan showing exactly how the raw fields will be mapped to the target. Once the plan is ready, you can review it and iterate. Feel free to make any changes and recommendation custom requests. We'll make a few recommendations. Once you're happy with the plan, you can type proceed to generate the data pipeline and run the first batch. Once the batch is ready, we can review it. Elvity tracks how the data in each cell has been generated, meaning at any point, we can inspect a cell to understand its exact transformation history. Looking closely, this batch has a few errors, which are highlighted in the Errors tab. Elvity automatically provides suggestions on how to fix these errors. But in this case, we'll provide our own input. The emails of a few records are missing, but in this case, we know how to fix it. Similarly, we can go through the rest of the errors and provide necessary fixes. Once you have provided all the fixes, you can apply them. Elvity will update the pipeline with your fixes and regenerate the batch result. As you can see, all of our errors have been resolved. Our data is now ready to be published, and this exact pipeline can be used to process all the newly arrived data automatically. Thank you for watching.